Welcome guys, today I have for you a KELLENBERGER 1000U. This machine is wired for 220 volts. First things first is we do have 5-inch risers throughout the whole machine, including the head, giving you an extra 5 inches of clearance. This head does swivel in 180 degrees. As you can see, it is currently free. You're going to swivel it to get access to the OD grinding if you decide that you want to do that. And then when you're done, you just lock it down and it's not going anywhere. This work head also does swivel. I did forget to unlock it, but it does swivel. And same thing with the table, in 8 degrees both ways. Just by unlocking these 4 bolts, 2 on this side, 2 on the other, and then you could crank this little knob back and forth. This machine can be ran manually or automatically. So right now I do have it closed for the automatic, for the manual aspect of this, as you can see, and then put it in disengage it, just like that. And then this is going to be your in and out over here. Just go ahead. You can go forwards or backwards. There is a small lever on this side which will bring the machine into either coarse or fine feed. And then we do have the dead stop right here. Up over here, we do have the controls for the machine, for our 2 dwells, what kind of grinding we want to do, whether it's traverse or plunge, and so on and so forth. So with that being said, let's get started with our converter. Converter is going to provide us power to our work head right here. As you can see by pressing this button, it is jogging a little bit. It does coincide with this lever right here that will start our table and the work head whenever we're ready. So with that being said, we can start our grinding head. My apologies, that one's actually the hydraulic tank, and then that's our grinding head right there. So with both of that on, we're practically ready to go. This is a dead stop. Once it hits the dead stop, it will count out its spark out depending on how much you have set on there. Put that there. And then you're ready to go. As you can see, we're now down feeding until we hit 0, which is essentially going to be our dead stop. We can increase the speed of our head over here with this knob, slower or faster. We're just about to hit up on our 0 right now, and like I mentioned, it's going to spark out for a little bit. We can increase and decrease the speed of our table, which we'll go ahead and demonstrate right after this cycle, after it sparks out. Make sure I don't have it set for too long. There you go. So we're going to start one more quick cycle for the traverse so I can demonstrate our table speed. As you can see, we're bringing it practically down to 0. And then we can speed it up. So we can change whether or not we want this to feed on the left or right hand side simply by moving this lever in any which direction. So this one, it's going to feed on the right hand side right now. And then if I go over one, it will turn into our left. And then right after that, in this selector valve right here, we can swap it over to our manual setting. And then we do have our plunge as well. So right after this, we're going to do a quick plunge for you. Right after this sparks out. Alrighty, so go into our plunge. As you can see, we're going straight down to our 0. We're already hit the 0 and sparked out. We can change the speed of that with this knob right up top. As you can see, it's really slow now, and then I could bring it up faster and faster. And I'll do that one more time. See, we're creeping faster and practically full speed. So as I mentioned, we do have a coolant tank on the back of the machine. We do also have the guard that sits on this back corner right here. It's just tucked behind another machine right now. It's a little hard to get to. But this over here is going to be our KELLENBERGER 1000U wired for 220 volts. Thank you very much.